Hi everybody, this video is kind of like a quick review of StoneLux Brick Repair Filler, which is a fascinating little product that you can use if you've got holes in your bricks or on your house, funnily enough, as we did. So, in the description below this video, you'll find a link to StoneLux's website and the different products they have. And basically, you can buy it in lots of different colours to match your house bricks, and it comes in a very small tub. It's only 300 grams, about the sort of size of a large yogurt tub, and it's about £15 for that tub, so it's quite expensive for what it is. So I highly recommend that before you buy the brick repair filler, make sure you buy their colour match chart as well, and I'll put a link to that in the description below the video. And also, when you're seeing the repairs here, bear in mind that these holes are very, very small. They're only from like raw plugs in bricks. So although on the video they might seem pretty obvious, even with the after bits of the video, when you actually stand back about 10 feet, you can't see them. Now the colour matches aren't perfect, as you'd expect, because the house bricks have faded over time, or they've become stained. And also what you'll probably find is that the brick repair filler, as it ages, as it weathers, will kind of really start to match in with the bricks better as it gets more of a texture to it. And I've got to say, I was pretty pleased. The holes that you're seeing repaired in these videos aren't all of them. I did some on the front of the house first, because the problem was they were near the front door, and as you walked up to the front door, it was really obvious that we had these holes. And then I used the colour match to match the colour of the bricks, and then I filled them, and now I don't even notice them at all as I'm walking up. If you look closely, sure, you can see that they're different. They're a slightly different brick colour. But if you have a very close look at the bricks on your house, in various locations, you find that there's lots of different brick colours, and there's lots of different blemishes you get on bricks as well. So, would I recommend StoneLux Brick Repair Filler? I would say get the colour match chart first anyway, just to see if you can get a close colour to the bricks you've got. And then, yeah, I'd say it's definitely worth giving it a go, because again, really up close, when you're sort of 2 feet away, sure, you'll be able to see the repairs. But as soon as you get to 10, 15 feet away, the repairs just disappear. And I was quite impressed. As you'll see, the product actually comes in this little plastic tub in like a little plastic bag as well to keep it moist. And so it's going to last a long time, as long as you're probably at that house, I would imagine. So yeah, so I would recommend it. So the links are in the description below this video. I'm not associated with StoneLux in any way. If you've got any other hints and tips though about repairing bricks with filler, I know you could do the obvious one. You keep some of the dust when you're drilling holes, and then you mix it, and then you put it in. Then obviously put them down below. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.